In this video, I'm going to be explaining what radians are and explaining how to convert degrees in radians. To start with degrees, degrees are a unit to measure angles, and a circle from its center point is made up of 360 degrees. Radians are a little bit different, and there are 2 pi radians per circle, and a radian is 1 radius in length, which you can see in this circle, where this is the radius, and this is 1 radian. And because the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, one circle has 2 pi radians, in one circle. So these are important because they help us with trigonometry graphs and in the unit circle, which I will show in another video. So now let's move on to converting radians in degrees. So I have here 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians, as we just saw here, where there are 2 pi radians for a circle and 360 degrees for a circle. This is often simplified in calculations to 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. In a conversion problem, for example, if we are told to convert 45 degrees to radians, the way you could do this is 180 degrees over pi radians is equal to 45 degrees over x radians. And to solve for this, we can use cross multiplication and find that 45 pi is equal to 180x. And if you divide each side by 180, you can find that it is equal to pi over 4 is equal to x. So 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4 radians. And I'm running out of space here, but the opposite can be done for converting radians to degrees. So if you're told convert pi over 2 radians to degrees, one way you could go about that is you could say, we can set up the same thing, 180 degrees over pi radians is equal to x degrees over pi over 2 radians. So 180 pi over 2 is equal to pi of x, pi times x. And then if we divide by pi, we end up with 180 pi over 2 pi, which is equal to 90. So this is equal to 90 degrees. So that's just a brief overview of what radians are and how to convert from radians to degrees and vice versa. I hope you enjoyed this video.